I've been given admin commands of this really peaceful game, and we're going to be abusing them on people. Hey,
Yeah,
Aswell,
but that's
what? Hello, Aswell. What's the thing on your head? What's the thing on your head? What's the red dot? Oh my, that's gruesome. Hey, Kakashi,
Yeah.
what's that red dot on your face?
Yo,
Do you know?
nice job,
Do
bro.
you know me?
Nice
Yo, what
Can I
happened?
say?
He just got killed. What happened?
no,
Yo, what did you say to me?
Yeah, the mic is shit.
What did you say to me? Oh, what's that red dot on your face? Oh, god damn. Can I maybe have some
Yeah?
money?
No.
Well, what's that red dot on your face? What's that? Oh my. Neri.
Okay.
Um,
What is it, Lil
what's
Dicky?
that red dot on your face?